Hajar Khatlai Kalong Banwara Nekentiu Kordano Yaka Mairang Civil Subdivision Shaka District level Baknang Bakaroy Kapar Kayok Kakot Kan Yokam Yojam Bat Kue Ki Bapaiba Kiajan Badu Paiba Hakini Kisnam Palalek Nakaliang Jonga UMLA Ringkat Bat Ka Executive Committee Jong Kamarot Tharrasan Constituency Ngilarai Banwanra no Ia Kiskul Kibadon Hapo Mau Kurwat Kumbasau Ko Artli Kiskul Kidon Hangtai Hapo Mau Kurwat Bat Da Kajingnya Menjulang Jong
Mr. Chief Minister, for your kindness and for your warm support to us, the Lembaga Syukur Sorkar Bangladesh Kapor bagi usuk dari penjana kemerdekaan negara sekretariat. Niscaya untuk kembali kasih Habib Puan Minister Negara ngayu bagorok paiba dapat di badan tulang jetakan sodom. Hitam pau sokomen. Hitam pau sodom. Yang diistimewa ini. Karena aku berpikir apa? Jadi aku berpikir baru supaya kampanye itu sesuatu yang absolut ini. Kumpulan fisik akan dimulai.
Meet the cabinet and convince the government that yes, this district or this area deserves this district. So I thank all the leaders, all the public and individuals who have played an important role in making this district a possibility. And I would like to thank the leaders, especially our speaker and my colleague, Babrol, who have worked tirelessly to make this possible. And once again, I wish each and every one of you the very best. May God bless this new district of Eastern West Khasi Hills, and may God bless all the citizens of this district, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. So bless you, Mathela, Jai Hind, and thank you.